Okay, we have sent the truck for spray paint. This is the iron sand matte, the same color that we have chosen for the windows, so that the window frame will be flush with the same color as the vehicle. So iron sand matte together with black trimmings, and this is the floorboard that we have indented. The bottom is fiberglass, and you have a 30 plus 30 XPS foam plus a thermalite on top of it, so it's very light and strong. As you can see, this is very sturdy. We finish off marking the grey water tank, so it's balanced up on both sides, one on the right and one on the left. So this grey water tank is 109 liters each. Now the center here, there's gonna be an under mount like a sink. So it's aluminium, so that we can mount the diesel water tank and the water heater together with the air heater, the aerodronic. Everything is mounted beneath the floor, but it's all insulated. So this is the freshwater tank. This is 258 liters of freshwater tank. A little bit more.